Let's see. I'm looking for a specific window. Oh shit. Alright. Alright, we're back. We're live. Let's get started. Let's see what we got. We got alright, so I usually have this page open. This one over here. This one over here. Alright. Okay, so yesterday when we ended the stream, it was around this time where we saw that the euro was at support, and we were thinking about it was either going to break through, and also we had the FOMC meeting later in the day. I marked out these two kind of circle zones where I predicted the price would probably be at, depending on how the news plays out. So more likely, I assume that price is going to fall lower, just because that's kind of how it's trending right now, and I guess that's just because that's the way it's trending. I mean, I wish I had better reasons for it. But yeah, and then so let's just see how this plays out. I have it on replay right now, so if I just press these bars, it should go forward a little bit. Alright, so we have these bars playing out. We could see that after it broke support right here, it started just going sideways a little bit until we finally hit a bunch of momentum right here. Damn, all of this happened at 7 p.m. Eastern or 4 p.m. PST. So literally just straight up just broke through this level of support and also just completely abolished my my little zone that I had marked out right here. But it did go, sometimes when we see that it breaks through the first support, it kind of jumps down to the second support further deeper down. Now right here we have a lot deeper liquidity because we could see there's a lot of price action over here, a lot of orders just kind of piled up around this zone, and then also when it broke through and it came back, and there's just a lot of orders sitting down right here. So that's kind of what it, I guess that's kind of what it aimed for. It aimed for literally everybody that had positions either usually they have longs or shorts, but usually they have longs. A lot of positions here got stopped out. I wish I could make this red, but because like let's say everybody that went long here, everybody that went long here, maybe here, they all had their stop orders right under the support, and so everybody that was right there pretty much got stopped out. So that kind of leaves it so there is so yeah, it kind of just sweeps up liquidity, I guess. And then from there, it just bounced up and has been chilling. So let's get out of replay. And then last night I marked where I predicted the price would be, and so far it's pretty accurate. I don't know. I think I should just get paid for this in itself. But somehow I always have this right, but I never have positions open. I never have anything to show that it's right. But we could see that price came lower. Didn't go as deep down as I thought it would, but I mean it's pretty close. And then from there, I assumed that it was gonna come higher because it was gonna fill in this skinny leg right here. Because this, I mean, this is really I don't know. It's kind of weak. This bar is weak. It's lubed up. It has low resistance for it to go higher. So basically, the probability of it coming higher and filling this candle up is pretty high. So that's why I have it marked up all the way over here to the next, basically to support the next resistance level where this consolidation happened right here. And so and this big green candle looks like, so it had a big red candle and immediately just bounced back up. So there's definitely some strength there, but now I think it's gonna break through this consolidation zone. We will see. So right now, this is how I think it's gonna play out. I think it's just gonna go consolidation, deep down to this liquidity zone, and then back up, and then fall back down. So usually I just take a picture of that just to have it. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Yep. So 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. You could see that price has just been going up pretty steadily. So we want to see some kind of. Usually, when price kind of just goes eases its way somewhere in a steady state, I like to see a price run, and a price run usually a price run to some kind of liquidity zone. I need to shake up my protein shake. Yeah, so I went to the gym in the morning. I usually wake up around 4 in the morning. I mean, taking a wake up at 3:50. I'm at the gym at 4 to 5, and I'm back here around 5:50. Oh shit, we have news. If you hear me criticize, I'm so sorry. Alright. So we have news coming up today. Today is May 29. In 3 minutes. Can I lower this volume? Can I lower it? If I lower this volume, does it turn up my volume? No, it does not turn down my volume. Alright, so let me just lower this. Let's see, what am I doing? Oh yeah, I took a screenshot of that. Put it over here so I remember the news. So today we have preliminary GDP, quarter-over-quarter, unemployment claims, German preliminary CPI, and this is all day 5:30. So we have this coming out in 25 minutes. Now, usually from what I notice is that unemployment claims, as long as it sticks around the forecast zone, it doesn't really move price up or down that much. Preliminary GDP, I mean, I don't know, I feel like this would probably matter more if people were in more kind of in sentiment that recession was near, and they needed people to be like Basically, I don't know if people are focusing on GDP right now. Unemployment claims. I don't even know what people are focusing in right now in general. I mean, I know these are important, but let's just see. As long as it sticks around, as long as it sticks around the forecast, then we shouldn't see a lot of price what the MERS. As long as it sticks around the forecast, then we shouldn't see a lot of volatility. But I mean, we still know something's going to happen. We're just not sure what. One thing is, so we have been going short. We had this big price run right here. I do want to see price hit this level, May open. But if it's May, oh, isn't today the last day of May? Almost 30th. It's interesting because this month we're gonna have a. This month is gonna be a weird candle. You know, there's a small body and basically a long wick down, which actually it's gonna be bullish and bearish because one, it went down and soaked up liquidity for it to come up higher, or two, it basically took out this liquidity and makes it easier for it to come lower, and it still has all this to soak up, but that soaked up from this soaked up, so this thing is also, oh shit, it's 5:30 already. All right, let's see what news happened. I usually don't trade 15, like 5 minutes. I usually don't trade on the dot when the news comes out. I usually wait 15 minutes. But around this time, I do like to see like what is going on. So like I said, price has been steadily coming up, just bleeding up higher. And as long as we don't see anything irregular, then it's just gonna continue going higher. But if not, then I want to see breaking the channel on the upper side or on the lower side. If it's on the upper side, then I want to do a price run to some kind of liquidity grab, either probably up here or up here. But yeah, right. Yeah, somewhere out here would be nice. Let me get rid of these because these are very short term. And let me just draw a little longer term thing going on, something like this. So we could see that as it broke up this channel, a lot of liquidity just came out. I mean, a lot of volume popped in. That little head poke right there. Get rid of this one. I don't know what this is for. I think this is when price is still higher. I just like to take pictures and take some notes. Let's see, another thing is we could always just draw some fibs up. Get a feel of the strength of the trend. And seeing if I'm not talking is because I'm thinking. I'm just thinking out loud. Thinking in loud, actually, because I'm thinking really in my head, but not really outside my head. That's interesting. If you look at down here in the 1 hour chart, I marked down this fib extension from here, from this top, this bottom to this lower top, and it gave me these levels right here. And as you can see, you look at the right screen, and then you see there's a line right here. it matches the same price level. So right here, the 2 matches up exactly with the 1.618, and then the 1.618 matches on the dot with the 2. That's interesting, right? Completely different levels. So these 2 match up exactly. The 3 is like right between the middle, between the 1 and the 0.5. So usually when we have a lot was it confluences? Is that a word? What does that mean? Confluence. The junction of 2 rivers, especially rivers of approximately equal width. Alright, let's see what this means. And trading confluence refers to the occurrence when 2 or more trading factors come together, creating a stronger trade signal. This can involve the use of multiple indicators such as so yeah, I've been saying that, right? So basically we have to stack up confluences. So these 2 stack up with the 1 hour, so that's good. That means I'm not going crazy. But now I have to find some kind of fib level, fib extension. I mean, the only fib extension, the fib retracement that I would think would make sense would be like, oh, now here we don't see anything really match up. But we do have like I said, I want to see price on the upper right. I want to see price touch this upper channel, and also which one is this one? Is this the 10 or the 20? The 20 SMA. So I want to see price touch the 20 SMA, top of the channel, and maybe month open. So like right here is strong. So around the 2. So yeah, I want to see something right here. Yep. So right when I have some kind of zone I want to kind of focus on, I just do something like this. Alright, so I want to see something happen right here. And what level is this? So I want to see something happen between basically 1.33 and 1.32. So let's just say 1.33 and to 1.32. Oh, 1.33 and 1.132. Let me restart. Oh shit. I wanted to. Fuck. I don't like it when it doesn't save. Is there like a refresh button here? If I do Control R, what happens? Shit. I'll just hope that's not too lagged up. Okay, so now this is just a waiting game. We just kind of see what happens. As price comes higher, price reaches this level, and let's just see. But usually if that happens, then I want to see something like price either comes higher like this, comes lower, and then like there's like one final push up, and then just comes lower from here. So now I'll probably get in at this retracement. Usually the retracement, if it comes back in the channel, it'll be a retracement back to the upper bound of the channel. So I want to see something like that, or I want to see something like something crazy. I want to see something like this. Damn. Nah, I'm just kidding. This one's a little bit too extreme. I guess there's only one thing I'm really trying to see. I'm just really trying to see something that comes up to this top. Because if I was going long, then I would wait for bounce back to this channel, get long here, and go up higher. But since I'm looking for a short, I'm kind of just waiting for it to hit this, take out this liquidity, maybe do a sweep up here too, maybe just like something like this. And I want to see a retracement back to this channel, or maybe if it creates some kind of resistance level like this dot right here, and maybe like something like this, and then get a short right here and then come lower. So, and usually just to remind myself that I'm going shorts, I'll put something like this. If you hear my mouse, well, you can't hear my mouse because no one's watching, but for those of you that can hear my mouse, somewhere up there, God, I see you. Just hope the mouse sounds are a little therapeutic. Here, I'm gonna just, so I have an idea down, but let me write it down so in the future when I refer back to it, I don't forget. So right here I have it that, so let's see, I'm gonna come out down and up. So on the 4 hour, want to see down, bro. And also I still have my down folding desk, and this thing is not straight no more. It kind of warped up, and so my keyboard is just all wobbly whenever I type. I need to fix that. Probably buy some kind of mouse pad or something. Or a new desk. New desk would be nice. Shit, I could go for a new desk right now. Basically, okay. So on the 4 hour, I want to see price. Move up, touching the 4 hour. Oh, touching the upper channel, upper channel level, 20 SMA, and month open. Month open. All right. Then the 1 hour. 1 hour, I have a fib extension from the start of the trend. I have a fib extension from the start of the trend, and I am looking for price to retrace. Oh, I never even checked what happened when news came out. So after cause usually, oh dude, oh man, there's a lot of things to check. All right, today thought it was gonna be a slow day, but it turns out to be a busy day. I guess it's always a busy day once you actually start working and start talking things out loud, because then things come back up into your head. And because usually if I wasn't here, I would just be on my phone, and on my phone I wouldn't be looking at much or thinking about much about anything. So I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate OBS. I appreciate YouTube. I appreciate this headset. I appreciate Nico's microphone for letting me record this. So this is good. This is good. So I have a fib extension from the price from the start of the trend. I'm looking for a price to retrace back to the 2 and 1.1 1.618 retracement level. Down to 15-minute. Made a fib extension from the start of the trend, starting. So when does this trend started around what, Asian session? So Asian session. Looking for price to hit to fib extension. Fib extension level. So looking to go short around 1.133 to 1.132 levels, and am waiting for a trade signal price section to get my entry and know where to place my stop. Alright, so look at this. As we talked about, looking for a price run. So basically, this big green candle, this is what we call a price run, where price is just kind of like it's going somewhere. Like it has somewhere to be. It's the grocery store closes in 2 minutes. His girl is home alone. Like, you see this. This type of candle is a candle with intentions. And this candle is going places. So where we kind of look for these kind of candles right here. These skinny legs. I call them skinny because my name is Skinny too. So this is like me, has intentions. It plans on going somewhere, but sometimes it's doesn't think much about it. It just kind of does what it do, and it's a lubed up candle basically, and it's gonna come down. It's gonna come up. We'll see, but this is exactly what we're looking for, a price run to our little level right here. And let me just correct this real quick because I have this this is, oops, I didn't know this thing was symmetrical, but let me just make this smaller, because we're not gonna trade till fucking 2 p.m. We only really trade till like right here, so we only got this much time to make a decision. Shit. And the thing, this is why I usually trade on, I look at the 15 minutes, but maybe sometimes I place an entry on the 5 minutes. But in this case, I'm gonna go for a wider stop, because who knows what could happen right here. Because if you look at a 4 hour, it's about to hit the 20 SMA, it's about to hit the upper bound of the channel. And either two things can happen. It hits the channel and then it can't break higher and it comes back lower, or it hits the channel and it just completely obliterates all levels and just continues, picks up volume after it breaks through, and just picks up volume and goes up higher. And it's about 5:47, so this is the 1 hour candle, and we're about to see a new print in 13 minutes. So I have this marked up. Oh, I marked this up from yesterday morning. So, because I said that either price comes down to this level or it comes up to this level. So we might actually see it doing both, where it came down to this level just to go up to this level, and then this is where I could go short. And this is what I was kind of looking for, because if we came down here, I wouldn't really be able to do anything since it's already down, and I'm going short. I'm looking for shorts. So if it came down here, I wouldn't really short because it's already down. But if it comes up to this level, then this would be a perfect short. But this level would also mean that it would have to break through this channel, which will pick up volume, and that also means that it would have to go up all the way up here. So, hey, maybe my circle is wrong. That's another option. So maybe it's actually gonna. Maybe we actually see price go up to the 1.136 level to 1.35 level. So maybe we could like do another channel right here. One, 1.3, 1.136, 1.135, screw it, something like that. Let's just see what happens. Let's see what happens over here too. Oh geez, unemployment claims came up. $240,000 unemployment claims when they forecasted 229. That's 11,000 compared to previously when they were only off by 3,000. 11,000 is quite a lot. They usually have been on point recently. Yeah, look at this. I mean, 7,000. That's 2,000 off. Oh, here we have. Yeah, it's like 13, 20, 17,000 off. Alright. I mean, yeah, they're off a little bit sometimes. But let's see what happens over here. So we're. Let's just see. Let's go back to May 1st. Oh, damn. I didn't. Sorry. I didn't know that was going to be loud. Let's just do some prehistoric analysis. Let's go to May 1st. And let's go to February 27. May 1st and February 27. And then this one, GDP. Alright, so let's think about this for a second. Alright, so unemployment claims is up. So that means more people are unemployed, which means it's bad for the economy, which means that bad economy means interest rates are going to come lower because they need to basically put flame into the fire of the economy. So interest rates are lower, which means the dollar is weaker, which means that EU will go higher. So that's kind of what we're seeing here, is EU went higher. And honestly, it's pretty significant. So it might actually continue going higher. Yeah. Okay. Now let's just see how long. Let's just see how long the news plays out for. Because sometimes, even though the news is bearish on the dollar, it can move higher, but only just a little for not for too long, and it comes back. Cause, all right. Let's go here. All right, so I said May 1st. Jeez. May 1st. Alright, so here we are, May 1st. And this news came out at 8:30. So, alright, like for example, last time we saw the same thing where expectations where, what do you call it? When actual came out a lot lower then expectations, and we saw a price drop, but this was just liquidity sweep for it to continue higher. So we saw it continue higher for the next, basically for the next day, but we didn't have this liquidity sweep. And now we have to think, was that already priced in? All right, let's look at the next one. February 27. No way, that's February. Okay, March, April. So let's see that. February 27. Where is there 2 in 1 month? Something's off. All right. February 27. When is that? February 27. That's March. February 27. Okay, so that was, that's weird. Right? I mean, I read that right? I read that right? Alright. So again, unemployment claims, actual and forecast. Let's do bar. God damn, this come out every freaking week? I guess so. May 1st. So that's the one we looked at. And then we have February 27. This one came out huge, but this is actually, so actual came up a lot higher than forecast. So this would actually be a weaker dollar, which would push price up. But here we see price get pushed down. Maybe some other news came out around the same time, but that is interesting because that would mean, that would give the sentiment of raising interest rates for the dollar. But also, this thing though, sometimes when news comes out a certain way, it kind of, people, I don't know who people are, but they realize that they're priced in the wrong direction, because as you can see, it came lower, but only to kind of sweep liquidity and position themselves to continue going higher, because from here it just went straight up. So they were just positioned off sides. Because look right here, they were just like, no one knew what was going to happen around this level. Like all of this was just like, damn, I don't even know what's going to happen in the future. Am I going to go up? Am I going to go down? And then finally when they're like, oh shit, you know what? Maybe I know what I'm going to do. I'm like, okay, let me position myself for what I'm going to do. So they came lower, positioned themselves to go higher. But as we are in today's world, we're already positioned to go lower. Oh, damn, that shit is just running up. Oh, you know what? Hey, this might actually be... Alright, let's see what else. This might actually be a reversal. Alright, let's look at... Look at the 4 hour. This could easily be something like this situation where it just came lower, priced people out, and continued higher. It had a cross on trend right here. So this could be another one of those situations where it just came lower and came up higher. Damn, should I have been going long here? That would have been nice. But let's just wait. Because right now I'm still looking to go short, but this looks a little fishy. This looks a little fishy. 6. So this candle's about close right now. That's a really deep candle. And then 15 minutes if I hit this top zone right here. Definitely a price run right here. Definitely trying to go somewhere. I would actually be worried to kind of want to trade against something like this. because this is stable, and then it just went non-stable. All right. So let's just take a picture. Alright. Oh yeah, let's also take a picture of the results. Right. So price is reacting to negative unemployment news, which is bad for the dollar. So basically something that I don't want to really trade against until it gives signals of a reversal or weakness. So I'm not really going to do much. Because, I mean, going long here is pointless. If I was going to go long, I would have been doing it right here in this these retracements back to the bottom channel level. Oh, there was something else I wanted to see. There was something else that I was gonna look at. What was it? There was $6:30. So now it's 6. So now we see the new 1 hour print. Now it's at previous some kind of week open a month ago. And here we just wait to see what's going to happen with this candle. Yeah, I go 15-minute charges, so it looks like there's more things going on, but in reality it's the same thing. Just look at this. Jesus. This is about to go to 1.36, 1.136 right here. Oh, I kind of already tapped it. Yeah, the high is 1.3602. So I already touched it. And it seems like it's holding up. Oh, protein shake. Alright. Alright. Oh, look, 4-hour, new 4-hour print as well. Definitely broke that channel. Definitely broke the 20 SMA. Definitely has some strength to it. Definitely showing some bears coming in the market. Man, I want to short crypto right now. Alright, so this level, the first level that I marked out is completely, how do I say this? Completely wrong. I mean, it already proved itself not to have any validity. Other than just feed this price run. So I guess we could focus on this level. 1.136. 1.136. You can see price kind of just eating away at it. I swear there was something else I was going to do. Now from here, since this did come up from a very strong bullish run, what am I going to be looking for a signal for it that it's going to reverse lower? Honestly, I don't even know, man, because I really want to see it. I want to see something. How far up did it go? Damn, it almost went up to 0.72, 0.69 fib retracement all the way from the freaking top of the trend. That's actually pretty insane. So already having a short at the 0.72, 0.69 level would be nice, but what would really be nice is having a short at the 0.79 or the 3 fib retracement. Shit, I would actually put some trade on like that right now. Okay, I'm on live, so I gotta ball out. It's not even that much, but it's more than my usual. Yeah, $22 stop loss. Let's go, man. That's how. Got money in the bank. Got money in the bank with my $22 stop loss. That's 0.5%. So just by that, you can already tell what how much my account is worth. Well, you know, I got millions stacked somewhere. Of course. JK. Let's just see what. We're just kind of waiting. Let's see what crypto's doing. Crypto, focus on Bitcoin 108. So Bitcoin has been pretty stable from all-time highs to pretty much the last rally high, which is 109. So I think it went up to like 112, 113. Yeah, 112. Barely hit 112. It's kind of been going sideways ever since. 8 as well. Probably going higher. I don't like this, but it is what it is. I mean, it looks good, but yeah, we shall see. I like how ETH and Bitcoin kind of have this like rally up, and consolidation, kind of trending up, looks like. And then we have other things that are just kind of look like they've just been consolidating higher, but at very kind of more volatile pace where it has deeper retracements. Like still has some kind of channel, have some kind of like trend to it, but very far deep retracements. Same thing with this one looks pretty good. Eigen. Yeah, I remember hearing about Eigen a couple years ago. Then everybody started talking about it. People. Link. We have this price run. Has been kind of going sideways, but this one actually looks like it's tracing lower. I usually buy Link under $15, so anything right here would be a buy. How about some down here as well? This is nice. I like Link under 10. Link under 10, it's like picking up chips on the floor. I guess bag of chips, because you wouldn't really eat a chip like that. Mana sucks. Mana, I don't know, man. Mana was cool in 2021, and then just kind of fell off the map. I know they're still working on the game and stuff, but I don't know, man. I don't think it could ever beat Minecraft. Yeah, this is Mana. From 0.19 to where did it go? It went up to 0.4, so that's 100%. Alright. Soul. I don't really like Soul, man. Hate me if you want, but I'm a Soul hater. I don't know what it is. Soul just, I don't know, it just gives me the creeps. I don't really know what. Maybe because I have it might be because I'm mad because I had chances to buy it at $8 under 10 and I didn't. Because obviously if I bought under 10 and I would have Soul tatted on my forehead because I would be so happy up here. But I had so many chances to buy down here, but I didn't, so I guess that's what creates Soul haters, is people who miss price runs. But also I just don't know what they're really doing for, because everything that gets built on Soul is kind of a joke. Yep, I said it. Stark is trash. Fucking ZK my ass. Look at this shit. When is this? This is pre-market. Oh, pre-market is up to 58. To 58. Why is it? Wait, pre-market is. What is this? So it closed. Oh, these are these lines. Okay. So closed at 253, but now it's at 258. All right, not that much higher. Still higher, but not that much higher. I guess you're gonna wait for this thing to open at 6:30, so let's just go to FX. Go back to my euro. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I remember now. I was gonna look at what happened to the SOFR from yesterday, because we imagined that if the Fed meetings were saying something. Oh shit! This thing came up. Yeah, like you said, higher unemployment claims means that. Basically, it's giving like a weak economy signal, which means that the Fed will be more inclined to raise interest rates to give it a little boost up. So that's what this candle was right here. It raised the sentiment of the market expecting more interest rate cuts for the end of 2025. But let's see. I think that this is yesterday. Yeah, we could see that we had to move lower. Oh shit, I think I hear my cat. Excuse me as I enter my cat into the room. tripping. All right. If nothing happens in the next, all right, let's just think about this real quick before. So let me just have a little plan so that I can go eat cereal. Let's see. All right, so we had. Let's go to 5 minutes. All right, so we had pricing. We have 1.136. Obviously, it couldn't, but still, these tweezer candles up here is not a good sign. I don't really trust tweezer candles like that, at least for tops. So yeah, this could definitely go up higher. This could easily just soak up this right here and continue higher and hit up my entry. If it hits my entry, I think about it, if it does hit my entry, now I'm going short. I'm really going against this big green candle. I just have this trend supporting me, but this green candle, like we talked about, man, this candle has intentions. It definitely wants to go somewhere. Just how far is it gonna go? I mean, cause like even then, if it hits my entry right here, I usually try to aim for a 3-to-1 support risk to reward ratio. So then if I'm risking 22, then I'll have to be making around 60, which means I'm basically saying that the prices will be going back down to, that price will be going down to before unemployment claims came out. Now, is that reasonable to assume? Is that reasonable to assume? It can be, but definitely not in this month. Because there's nothing coming out tomorrow, right? So, core PCE, what the fuck even is that? Changes in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers, including energy, differs from core CPI in that it only measures goods and services targeted towards and consumed by individuals. Prices are weighted according to total expenditure per item, which gives important insights into consumer spending behavior. CPI is released about 10 days earlier and tends to garner most of the attention. So this measures inflation, personal consumption expenditures. Alright. Yeah, now I'm just thinking because I don't know if price can come down to this level. Maybe. Shit, now I'm just overthinking it. Come on. I need more info. I need more info. Let's go to a daily. Let's make this wide. I mean, here I am trading on some kind of 15-minute time frame, but I'm looking at the daily for analysis, which I don't know if that's a smart idea. Jesus, this has been really nice, long. Shit, price is coming higher. Yeah, no, I definitely see this going higher. Much more than I see it going lower. At least low enough for it to hit my stop. I don't think it's gonna go that low. Shit. Here, I don't want to look at this. This daily chart. This daily chart is not good for my mental right now. Just take to the 4 hour and the 1 hour. The 1 hour is saying. 1 hour is saying that I'm fudged. I'm fudged in the 1 hour. I'm sure at most I could just even just fucking, just freaking go here. That's so weak. Here, let's see. Sometimes on the 15-minute, like sometimes this is a top. Just not like a long trend top, but just a short trend top. And like usually in these kind of situations, I would kind of just like do like a fib retracement from the top to the bottom. Then if it hit the 0.79, then I would just go short here. It's like in this case, if I'm just going for a quick short position, like I'm on the 5-minute already. But if I were going for a quick short position, 0.79, and my top is right here, but like just a little bit more. Right here. So I'll be aiming something like this if I was just around the 5 minutes and I was going for something really short term. Let's just see how this plays out. Well, here I am waiting for a 5-minute candles to print. So this is why I usually just, during these times, I just think I'm falling asleep. Alright, let's just wait for 6:30, 6:45. See where we are on the euro, see what happens when stocks open for the day, and I would just call it a day. And I would just go eat cereal, get ready for work, come back tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, May 30th. That's cool. May 30th it's a cool day. It's been a crazy month. May has been crazy. May is crazy. May I say it's been crazy? See what I did there? Oh boy. May I say it's been crazy? Yep. Yes, you may. Alright. So I'm thinking about making a wine. Having like a small vineyard. That could be cool. It could be also harder than I think it is. So I did say I was studying for the CFA. That's kind of what this is. Usually if I Usually when I'm not really doing much, I'm just waiting for some kind of price action to show up. I'm usually just studying for the CFA. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Today's topic is just get out full screen so it looks like I'm doing more than I actually am. Huh. That's weird. I got 2 notifications from Robert saying that my VIX put is up 20%, and then 1 second later, the VIX is down 20%. So which one is it? Let's find out. Look at my stonks. Alright, so it's definitely down 20%. Yeah, VIX is down a little bit. TLT's up. I wonder if the sentiment of raising interest rates has any effect in the market for stocks. I know definitely did for Nvidia. Nvidia's going crazy. Oh no, it wasn't Nvidia earnings like yesterday or 2 days ago. Yeah. Nvidia's Q1 revenue surged 69 year over year to 4. Damn. 8 billion loss forecast. Jesus. That thing's going to the moon. That's crazy. Holy shit. Oh yeah, the market's back. Shit, I should be. Damn, I had a bit before. Yeah, Nvidia is like the. What do you call it? The face child or the face of the market right now. So if this is up, then it's risk on, baby. It is risk on. So let's see what else we could be looking at. If there's anything that I should be adding to this watch list, let me know. because this kind of has been the same for quite a long time. I don't really like square anymore. I want to take this off. But square is like a complementary Bitcoin tracker, so I'll leave it on. Coin, Square, iBit, HUD. These are all like crypto plays, low key. Oh, and ETH. Yeah, I kind of want to buy more SPLG. Oh, I do want to Chipotle. Yeah. I'm craving Chipotle. I might get that tomorrow. Alright, so here we are. DXY images now. Yup. This gap up. This gap up is a signal. Definitely gonna get filled. Oh yeah. Crypto top still in the game. Still in the game for the crypto top play. Right here we were out the game, but now we're back. We're coming back in the game, so that's cool. Shit, I should be buying more crypto then. Let's go back to the euro. Bro, I literally clicked not for kids, man. is this? Damn. See, I was looking for something like this. I mean, this is traction, but the GX 550 with lifted with some 37s or 38s. Jesus. Yeah, I'm waiting for someone to build something like this. Let's see how this turns out. Alright, man. Show me around the car, bro. King shocks too. This guy balled out. Yeah, it looks nice. Cool. Anyways, I came here because I wanted to. Yep. Alright, well, looks like nothing's gonna happen in the next 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna end the stream here. Yeah, tomorrow I can. Tomorrow I'll make some analysis over tonight. See where we are for the morning, for tomorrow morning. Make some levels to look at, and hopefully next week I can mark down the chart again, because right now I have the chart marked down, but these are like drawings from last month, and we're gonna be entering a new month, so it'd be nice to have come in with some fresh charts. Alright. I'm just end the stream now. Whoop. Thanks for coming by. I'll wait for the 1 hour 30-minute mark. Nah. Yeah. Alright, something's gonna happen. Probably price is just gonna come lower, come back higher. Either come higher than this or go lower. But just the fact that we had this price run up and it had a hard time closing above 1.136. Yeah, 1.136. Chewed on it, but couldn't. Came back lower, came back up, retraced it, but couldn't break through, and continued lower. So can you see it break through down this level and hit the top of the channel? And if it retraces like this, then that could be pretty bullish. If not, then if it just continues higher from here, if it continues higher all the way up to here, I'm probably not going to go short on that. And if it hits my short order right here, it's probably not going to, because I'm probably going to take that off, because I don't think it's going to go. I don't think it's going to go. If we look on the other side, or it's just zoomed out here. Oops. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go down 175 pips. Yeah, I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. And for it to go higher, 55 pips, that's definitely possible. But is it going to happen today after it already... Oh, there goes my cat. After it already went up 150 pips? So 200 pip day? I mean, I don't think so. But yeah, let's just see how this thing plays out. Alright, I'm gonna get ready for work, let my cat inside the room, and I'll see y'all later. Thank you for whoever is listening to this or reached this point. See, damn, my cat really wants to get in here. Okay. Alright, bye.